Hello everybody, welcome back to another Minecraft ship tutorial. So today is going to be today is actually going to be the entirety of the SS Traffic. I got bored and I needed to do something, so yeah, here it is. So I'm going to be doing something different. I won't be doing the keel. It'll actually just be me building it like any other ship. So, alright. So the first things first, we're going to go and do... It's the same hull as the Nomadic. I'm just trying to work everything out here, so... What the heck? Oh, okay. Yeah. Alright, so we do so what we're gonna do is go build 2 blocks. I'm gonna build another row 2. So I'm gonna do that both sides. And we're gonna go 2 rows of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna do the same thing here. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we go 47 blocks. So I'll just go ahead and do this by hand. So 1, 2, so 2. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 47. So that's 47 blocks, like so. The entire length of the ship is 68 blocks, by the way. The entire width is 11, so. So we connect that in, over, and then the curving back in, we just go 4 rows of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Or it's 3 rows of 3 probably. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's 4 rows of 3. 1, 2, 3. And I go 1, 2, 3, like so. And then let's go ahead and get the rudder out of the way. In section 0 at the stern. So section 0 at the stern. We just go ahead and just build up. We just build up 2. That's it. And then we go get our mangrove fence. We just put these on here. And then just build a rudder. It's a 3x2. So 1. So 1, 2. And we just build that. We just increase that in height to 3. So 1, 2, and 1, 2. All right. So what we're gonna do now is within the ship. So on both the bow and the stern, on both sides, we should go on the block 2, back 1, and then 2. So just do the same thing here. On the other side, 2, back 1, and 2. Do the same thing on the bow here. 2, back 1, and 2. 2, back 1. Alright. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna join these sections together. So from the top block here, we just connect that to the other side. And it's not that hard. It's just filling in a few blocks. I mean, compared to Olympic, that was terrible. It was terrible to do. I did not want to do that. This is why I canceled the frickin' build. So I'm actively redoing it. So if anyone's actually I'm actually wanting to do a collab. If anyone's interested in doing if anyone's interested in doing an exterior, I'll be interested in doing an interior, and we'll be doing that. So just gonna just look at this here, because it's literally the same exact hull. So let's build all the red first. So on section 0, we go 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 2, 1, 2. So this is section 3, section 0 of the bow. Section 1, well, we're gonna go 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 2, 1, 2, I think. Just look back at the Nomadic here. Yep. And then section 3. Just look back here. Yep. It's gonna be 3 and 2 again. 1, 2, 3, 3, and then 2. Section Section 3, we go, we go 3 and 2 again. It's gonna all be 3 and 2, I guess. So 1, 3, and 1, 2. Section, what is this? So it's 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so section 4, I think. Yep, section 4, we go 3 and 3. So we remove this block, we go 3 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Section, what's this? Section 5. We should go on top of here 2. 1, 2. And then that's it. So just go ahead and copy this all to the side. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then 3, 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And there we go 3, no 2. Just go 2. That's it. Alright. So to the stern now. I swear the stern's gonna be much easier. I don't have to look back at it as much, so. I think I'm actually gonna be lying to myself here. Because I gotta do the propeller. Alright. Let me just look back at, let me just look back at my iPad build, because it's gonna be easier if I just don't look back at the build. I'm not really gonna want to travel like 20 something blocks just to analyze it. So I'm just gonna look back at Minecraft build. Back in a second. Alright, so back again. I filled in the floor, and yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna carry on. So what we're gonna do, for section 0, we should go 2 and then 2. Section 1, we're gonna go, section 1, we're gonna go, what is it, 3 and 2. So we should go 3 and 2. So 1, 2, 3, and then 2. And then from this section here, hang on. Let's just look back at, let me see this here, because, alright. Section 3, I think. Yep, section 3. You should go 3 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3. And for the propeller and propeller shaft, we're just gonna go 1, 2, 3. Just build 3 walls back. This is on the center red block. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we build. We'll just leave that for right now. We're just gonna finish up the ship here. For section 5, section 4. Yep, section 4. Section 4, we're going to be doing 3 and 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And this is why I need to use signs. And then what we're going to do is just go, for section 5, just go 3. 1, 2. No? Yep, 3. 3. Because because this block overlaps. So, yeah. So there we go. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly do the same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and 3, and I just build the center part here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then build the 3 is a 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, and then we build 3, 1, 2. So that's that. And then for the propellers, we go back to these walls here. We place stairs on this side here, on these ends here. Just copy the design from the Nomadic if you already built that. If you're building the traffic first, this is kind of why I'm doing this. So, yeah. And then we place top slabs under these. So under these stairs, kind of diagonally. So. And this will create like a 3-bladed propeller look, so there we go. Alright, so in black, should be pretty easy, because, I mean, it's more like just building up. It's not like constant rows and all of that. Yeah. So For section 0, we're just gonna go up 2, 1, 2, and then up 3, 1, 2, 3. For section 1, we're gonna go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and then up 2, 1, 2. Section 2, we're gonna go up 3 and then 2, 1, 2, 3, and then up 2, 1, 2. Section 3, we're gonna go. Yeah, let's just. So I said section 2. Yeah, this was section 2. Section 3. Hang on, let's increase my brightness here because I need to see this. Alright, so section 3 is gonna be up 2. So 1, 2, and then up 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1. I think. Yeah. And then what we're gonna do, section 4. Go up 2, up 3, and then 1. Like again, so up 2, up 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1. 1. There we go. And it's the same thing. Oh, hang on. Is it? Same thing on section 5. So up 2, up 3, and then 1. And then finally on to section 6, we build up 2, 1, 2, and then up 2 again, 1, 2, and then on top of that we just go 1, and we go up 2, and then we just break this block here, like so. This is going to be the shear line, so I'm just going to quickly do the same thing. This will be a recap. So section 1, up 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Also, yeah, recap of section 0 is going to be up 2, up 3, and then section 1, up 3, up 2, and then section 3, we're going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and up 2, 1, 2. Section 3, yeah, so section 2, up 3, up 2. Section 3, we go up 2, up 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, and then 1. And the same thing for the next 2 rows, so up 2, up 3, and then 1, up 2, up 3, and then 1. I'm going to turn on my iPad because it's bothering me. And then finally it's up 2, and the diagonal 1. So up 2, and then diagonal 1. So, like so. And then what we're going to do is go inside, and if you know shipbuilding, you know where this is going. Just go and fill in all the gaps. So, and this is not going to take too long because of just how simple it is. Was it the same on the Mac? Huh. Yes, it was the same. Never mind. So it should look like this. It should look like a bowl, like a little bowl. This is only if you want to. This little detail is only if you want to. If it looks too like blocky for you, just go ahead and get some like mangrove stairs or something. I don't know. But I kind of like how blocky it is. So, all right. So what we're gonna do is just gonna go behind this this block here. We're just gonna place 1. This is gonna be where like where the whole wall going back is. So what am I saying? I don't know. I have no clue what I'm saying. So not really experienced in big tutorials. So all right, section 0 on the stern. Here, let me label my sections because I label my sections. I've been going so long without it. So this is section 0. This is going to be section 1. 2. What the heck? 3. 4. And then let's put this here. And then 5. And over here. 6. There we go. So there's that. So for section 0, we should go up 3 rows of 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, and then we go 1. Section 1, we go up 2, up 2, up 2, 1. So it's kind of a repeat of that section. Same for, hang on, let me just count the sections that do have it. So it's going to be section 1, 2, and 3. So sections 1, 2, and 3 are the same. So 1, 2, no, that's not right. Because section 2, we go 2. We go 4 rows of 2 basically. Chevy! Alright, so section 3 we're gonna go up, we're gonna go 3 and then 3 rows of 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then section 4 we go 2 rows of 3 and then 2, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 rows of 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Chevy, be quiet. For section 5, we go 3, 3, 3, 2. So 3 rows of 3 and then 2. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 2. And finally, onto section 6. We go 2, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, and then 3, 1, 2, 3. And then what we're going to do is we'll finish the section off after we connect this wall together. So yeah, so just go ahead and connect this wall together and we'll finish up that section. So because it's going to be a little confusing how we're handling this. I swear this is less confusing than Nomadic. Well, this is more confusing than the Nomadic because I have no idea what I'm doing. I already forgot the hull of the ship, so and I designed it, so what the heck. So just connect this section over, and then to top off the section, we just go 3. So 1, 2, 3, and it should look like this. And then we yeah, delete this actually, because we're gonna go on this block here. We're gonna 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, like that, and this is gonna be the shear line. So I'm gonna go ahead and then recap you on this. So section 1, we go up 2, up 2, up 2, and then 1. Section 2, we go 2, 2, 2, and then 2. So 4 is a 2. Section 3, we go 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 3 rows of 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Section 3, we go 3, 3, and then 2, 2. I think 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 2, 1, 2, 2 again, 1, 2. Congratulations, my funds at 15%. Section 5, we go 3 rows of 3 and then 2. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 2, 1, 2. Finally, onto section 6, go 2, 5, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3, 1, 2, 3, and on top of this block here we go 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm just going to go ahead and build the section back. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this as quick as I can so we can move on to the decks. So because unlike the Nomadic, which had these little port things on the side and these little gangways, Traffic, it was just a straight wall. So that's why I like Traffic. It's just a lot simpler to build, more simple to build, not simpler. I don't know English. I'm a little stupid. So what we're gonna do is just go on the inside and fill in these gaps, and it should look something like this. So in our oak buttons, we're just gonna make the yellow line. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. If you built Nomadic already, you know where this is going. So I mean, no, traffic is pretty easy ship to do, compared to Nomadic. Because honestly, there's just, it's just straight, like, kind of like Titanic. It's kind of like walls, like walls upon walls, and it's just easier to do instead of just trying to act like you know what you're doing for Nomadic. I don't know how to explain it. Just like I'm just gonna show. This is complicated. That's why I did it first. And also because of the bigger ship, so. And then, what we're gonna do. Just gonna do this as quick as I can. Trying to skip any gaps here. So, up, 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 and then that's it. So, so what we're gonna do is grab our we'll grab our birch slab and birch planks, and then we're gonna go ahead and get the deck over with. So, so what we're gonna do is go to the stern. So we go to the stern. 1, 2. All right, to the stern. We go 5. So we break this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Break this if you have to. Crap. You can break on any unnecessary blocks. That's there we go. So it's 5, and then in slabs we go 1, and then under this, it's gonna be. Let's go to the bow here. So let's go to the bow. I'm controlling my iPad right now, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 7 forward. And planks, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8 to make that bottom slab. And then in birch planks, we're gonna go down 1 and just connect this over. So I'm gonna be doing jump cut as I fill this deck in, and I'll be back with you guys in just a second. So back in a second. Okay, I'm back, and we're going to move on to the ship's superstructure and all that. Finish the ship off today. So what we're gonna do is, dang it. Alright, so what we're gonna do is get our blocks and slabs and all that. So block, and then basically what we're gonna do is build a let me just make sure it's symmetrical on all sides here. Alright, so basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna build a wall of blocks. So tracing the outside, and when you get to the stern, just stop. So because it's a different design here. So I'm gonna do this as quick as I can. Make sure. Alright, so when we get to the stern, just stop. And should be all good to go. There we go. So go to the stern, and we build. Basically, it's every block that. So just go back 1 block. So 2, and then 1. So here's how you do it. So basically, you overlap it by 1. Overlap it by 1. So this will be 2, 2, 2, and then we just continue this onward. And then you can remove any unnecessary blocks, so like these 2. So we'll be using these black blocks later on. So when we do like what were they called? Bollards. Yeah, we're gonna do bollards on this thing, so. Yeah, I don't feel like this is right. Hang on. The bow part here. Oh, okay. No. Hang on. Yeah, that's right. This is right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna build, alright. So we're gonna go to the, so I gotta figure this out here. So what we're doing is building the, bottom part here. I'll be back in just a second while I do measurements, so back in a second. Alright, back again. So what we're going to do is going to count back to the 12th block. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then let's get a center block. So, let's get a center block. And then what we're going to do is go one either side of that. So 1 and 2. And then what we're going to do is curve. We're going to curve in 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we count. No, and then we got to go back. Go back 2. So 1, 2. And then 1, 2. And then we go. We go 3. So 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3. And then we connect this over. So. Yeah. So I had to watch a. Yeah. I had to watch a video to get this right, because I thought it was just a straight wall back. The deck plans weren't really vague enough, so, yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to increase this to 2 high. So, let me just go ahead and do this. So, should be simple. Well, it should be pretty simple. Pretty straightforward. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. I think this was like a mailroom or something. Like some mailrooms and probably some cabins as well. So I got no clue. So what we're gonna do is count back to the 3rd block. So we count back 3 blocks. So 1, 2, 3. 4th block back, we're gonna place a center block, and then it's gonna be a straight wall of I think 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be 9 blocks in total. Counting that. And then what we're gonna do is go back in a second. Yeah. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna count 22 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And then we're going to do the same thing. So do that on the other side. And then we're just doing this all together, like so. Actually, that's not right. That is not right at all. So we go 2 blocks. Okay, so 2 blocks here. 1, 2. I place a block here, and then it's gonna be the same thing on the other side. So 1, 2, 1 here, and this is gonna be like a skylight. So like so. All right, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna count back to the 1, 2, 3. So the 5th block back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We place a center block, and then we go 4 either side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we count back. One. We count back 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then on this final part here, we're gonna go just a straight wall back like so. Like so. It should look something like this. So. And then what we're gonna do is increase this to too high. So. If you're gonna do interior in this, good luck. I already explained how to separate the decks on the pneumatic tutorial, so you can go back and watch it if you have to. Because it was pretty much the same layout back then. So what we're gonna do. I'm gonna finish this up, and there we go. Nope. There we go. So, again, it should look something like this, and what we're gonna do is start doing some pillar work, and it'll be moving on to the next deck. So let's go ahead and why did I delete my frickin' blocks here? We grab our pale oak fence gate. Well, fence. Pale oak fence. And what we're going to do is we're going to go... Hang on. Should be... Alright, so we're going to go to this block here. So this block here, we're going to place a fence gate. And then we're every 2 blocks. So 1, 2, place pillar. 1, 2, place pillar. Should be it should be to the end of this. Should be at the end of this block here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do one side on camera, and I'll do a jump cut, do the other side. So come on. I wish I was used to the controller. I have this since Christmas, and what the heck? If you have any errors, just improvise, really. But this is how it should be. I don't know what the heck is going on. I'm gonna quickly do these fixes as fast as I freaking can. I should be used to the controller by now. I've had it since Christmas, and it's taken me a while to get used to it. Because I'm so used to being a mobile player. So. Alright, let me check if this is right, actually. Go back and, should be at the end of this block. Should be actually at the end of this block here, so. So at the end of this block, just should be like this. So basically. So I'm going to do a jump cut as I do this, and I'll be back in just a second. So, alright, so back again, and what we're going to do is we're going to go, alright, so what we're going to do is place a wood block. Place a wood block from the center here. And then it should be a block gap. Hang on. Should be a block gap here. And then for this, it should be, a, alright, it should be 2 blocks either side, so 1, 2, 1, 2. And then we go, diagonal that, so we break this block here. We go 3, no, actually go 2, and then we go 2 again. So it should connect up to these pillars here. So do the same thing on the other side. Diagonal that. 2. And diagonal 2. So there we go. So that should be that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to there we go, and feed this to the other side. So, and then once you have all the pillars, once you have all the blocks and the pillars, just connect it over. So on the stern here, just connect it over. It shouldn't be too bad. It's already taken shape as pneumatic. So that's traffic. So what we're gonna do is we're now going to fill in the deck. So yeah, I'll just do a command as I do this. So well, actually no. Yeah, I'll do a command. Actually no. I'll just build this by hand. Obviously, it's so I have Lapland I have Lapland part 1 done. So I'm just going to do. I'm going to release that as soon as I can next month. Yeah. I'll release it as soon as I can in March. So yeah. I'm going to go ahead and because yeah, again I have to be moving in March, and yeah, because it's gonna be a little busy having to adjust to a new household. So yeah, it shouldn't be too difficult really. Definitely had a I don't know how to say this, but I mean it's just new environment, new start, I guess. I'm just gonna be doing that. So I'm gonna finish up this deck here and show you what else to do. So enough yapping really. Alright. So what we're gonna do is build this up by 2 blocks. So we're gonna increase this in height by 2 blocks. So well, 2 blocks, not by 2 blocks. Just increase it by 1. Just makes it 2 blocks. You get the point. Yeah. They were literally the same height. They just weren't the same length. They just weren't the same length. So that's kind of amazing, really. So, like pneumatic traffic, you get what I'm saying. So you're stiff when stepping in. Oh, that's cringe. I'm gonna shut the hell up now. Alright, so what we're gonna do is grab. Actually, we're not gonna grab anything. We're just gonna. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go. Alright, so what we're gonna do is go 11 blocks. 11 blocks from the center here. So yeah, we're gonna make this our center block. So we go 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm just gonna make sure this is 11. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Yep. So on the 11th block, we place our center block. And then either side we go 2. So 1, 2. 1, 2. And then we go 2. We just go 2 either side. And then we build back. Yeah, so we build back. What is it? Fudge. Actually, let's go to the stern here, so you have a better idea. I don't want to count this, so. Well, I'm gonna have to count it here, so. let's see, one. It's gonna be 11 blocks on the stern as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then what we're gonna do is just go back 3. So 1, 2, 3. I think. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Excuse me. And then what we do is just build this either side. So. Let's go ahead and build this either side. And then we're going to increase this in height, so we're just going to increase this one by height. So 2 blocks high. Alright, so there we go. Alright. So what we're going to do is we're going to go 1. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to build our pillars now. We're going to grab our... do I have a payload fence on me already? Yep, I do. And then we're going to build our... we're going to get our levers, and then we're going to build... we're going to go work from the stern here, because it's easier to indicate, so... Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to build one pillar, and it should be one... This is 1 of 12 pillars, so 1 block gap, pillar, 1 block gap, pillar, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and finally 12. You do the same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then what we're going to do is we're going to build we're going to build the bridge, really. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to the front part of this, we're going to go to the front part of this block here. We're going to place a wood block, and then just do a center block here. So what we're going to do is go 3 other side, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. And we're going to double this in height, so now what we're going to do is go diagonally 2, so 1, 2, and then we go 1, and double this in height. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1. And then finally, we're just going to go ahead and go to the stern. So this is going to be, why I did this is because, right here, starting right here, starting right here, it's just going to be 1 block. So, yeah, so we're going to go, build 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Let me see if this is right. So 23. Yep, 23 blocks. Then we'll connect this over, so. So it's 23 blocks for the middle part here. 25 in total, but it's 23 for this part here. And then what we're gonna do is gonna put down some levers. So 1. So I'm gonna do this as quick as I can. So do both sides as quick as I can. I've been filming for like for 45 minutes. That's crazy. Well, 44.3. I don't know. 44 and a half. I don't know. I can't do math. Math is not my biggest subject. Just ask my geometry grade. Just look at my geometry. Not geometry. Just look at my algebra 2 grade. It sucks. It's terrible. I hate math so much. All right. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to and what we're going to do is just build the birch plank, or any wood you want, but I don't know. Yeah. I'm just gonna one hand this really. I think over here was like mail and cabins and all that. I don't know. I can't really tell the interior of the ship, so don't ask me. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up these last 3 rows, and I'll go ahead and last 2 rows really. But I'm gonna do a jump cut as I get the. Because we're gonna stop on the superstructure in a little bit, and we're going to move on to some like detailing. Actually, let's finish up the thing here. Get the mast and funnel on. So, all right, what we're gonna do is we're going to go to we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the 6 blocks of the bow. So on the 6th block of the bow, we're going to get our red sandstone wall and our acacia fence. So on the 6th block, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we place 1, and that's going to be up 1, 2, 3. 4. We're going to go up 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. And then we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go 1. And in the acacia fence, we're gonna go up 5. 1. Yep, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. I'll check the time here, because 3:36. Oh, okay. Alright, so that's the mast out of the way. So now we're going to go on to the funnel. We're going to move on to the funnel here. So I'm going to do a jump cut as I get the funnel, and I'll be back in just a second. So, alright, I'm back again, and we're going to go 13 blocks. So from the center here, 13 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, we're going to place a center block here. And then we go 1 either side, and then just go 1. So the same as Nomadic here over there. It's just a little bit smaller because I think the width of the traffic funnel was a little bit smaller. So we're gonna increase this up to 5 blocks high. So 2, 3, 4, God damn it, 4, and then 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think this is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then in black blocks, we just build a quick add to Nomadic here. We're just gonna actually increase this part to 3, actually. And then, yeah, so it's going to be in black, 3 blocks tall, so. So there we go. There's traffic out of the way. Well, less traffic, mostly done. We have a lot more to do. We got actually a ton more to do, really. Since the ship was like less detailed, it's pretty manageable. Well, by reference pictures, that's kind of not true, but I don't know. I'm a nerd. I just don't ask me. I suck at explaining things. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our acacia shelf. We're gonna build our mech. And then let's also get our wither skeleton skulls. So I think the bollards on traffic were like They were smaller than pneumatics, I think. Don't quote me on that, but let's get our Mangrove trapdoors. I'm just gonna go ahead and change these because I don't know, it just looks better with the mangrove. I'm going off topic here and fixing up pneumatic. I don't know, but just gonna go ahead. You get the gist, really. I'm a little OCD here. Sorry about that, y'all. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to the center of the... Well, we're actually going to go to the 4th block back, so... Hang on. After you also get my... Yeah. So we go to the 4th block back on the wood, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we place a wall. And then what we're going to do is place black concrete, rebuild 2. And then 2, and those will be stairs here, and we're going to place stairs, we're just going to be placing stairs back to back here, so should look something like this. And then we're going to place our black stone walls on each side like this, and again it should look something like this. So what we're going to do, actually let me grab my barrier blocks here. So slash give as barrier. Because we're going to be using this later on. I just want to include it. So what we're going to do is go... So either side of this, so diagonally either side of this, we're going to place our vents. So we're going to go like so. Alright. And I'm just going to go ahead and clear this out. I'm going to grab my pale oak. No, not my pale oak, just my smooth quartz. So we're going to go up 5. 1. So that's 1 block. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. And we place a stair. You can rotate it anyway, but how I did it on the prototype, I just did it 1 block facing here, and then we place our mangrove trapdoor, like so. And over here, this can be facing that way. So, are you going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? And place a stair, and then place a mangrove trapdoor facing the other vent. That's how I did it on the prototype. You can do it however you want. Because, I mean, traffic and pneumatic, I mean, traffic and pneumatic, they had, like, really big movable vents, so, kind of like that on any ocean liner, really. On Titanic, they had, vents, that, that could, like, I think collapsible vents, I don't know if that's right, but they had collapsible vents or something. But anyway, we're going to get like our acacia shelves, and then we're just going to put them all across this area. We're gonna put them all across this white area here, but not on the inside, because we're gonna be doing something else with it. So, all right. So there's all the detailing there. I'm gonna go ahead and remove all the center blocks here on the bow. There you go. And then I'm thinking right here. So right here, yeah, we're gonna break these 2 blocks, and then we're going to get our block concrete. We're gonna break down the deck. We go, oh crap. I'll put our black concrete blocks, and we're gonna get our Spillfish skeleton skulls. And we're going to put it on that deck there, so It's kind of hard to explain. We'll just make something up. It's there was only like one pair, I think, and then that's just it. And over here, you can also do like a stair here, and then a stair here. So, like so the mooring cables can kind of yeah, go through. I don't know how to explain it, but you do you, really. So what we're gonna do is alright. So like beside the vents here, we're gonna place our so on this deck here, we're gonna place these barrier blocks here, and these will be where ladders go. I'm just gonna clear this out. Place our ladders. So we build four ladders up. That should be all good to go. So we have that. So we grab our stuff, our mech stuff again. Well, besides the walls here. So on either side, we just go one block here, one block here. So on either side of the mast, it's gonna be one block here, one block here. And we build 2 stairs up. So 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Those are mechs, I guess. And then there's deck chairs we need to add. Sorry if this is a little overcomplicated, you guys. Just trying to get this as done as possible. Either side of the vent, well, the mech here, we're gonna build 3 slabs, and then we grab our anvils, and then we grab we just put them either side of that, and then we do the same thing on the other side. I'm a terrible explainer, so yeah. There we go, and that that's all done. I think what we're gonna do now is get our deck details out of the way, because we're almost done with the ship. We're on the home stretch. So I'm gonna go ahead and check out what this is. All right, so what the heck? So on either side, well, on the center block of this block here, place one block. There we go. So we have one block here, and then we get our spruce trapdoor, and then our bells. So place our bells either side of this block here, and then we place a spruce trapdoor. This is my attempt at a mini like navigation thing. I know it looks kind of terrible. Just yeah, you can do if you can do better, by all means, I encourage it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go from like this block diagonally, and we go one block here. So we go 2 blocks diagonally. So we go 1, 2. So we build up 2, and then a stair here, and then we can build our trapdoor. Really, it's hard to explain. Up 2, and then a stair, and then we go in front of it, mangrove trapdoor. More seatings, yay! So what we're gonna do is go behind this thing here, and then we build. Well, we go beside this bell here. We go a 1 block gap. We place our anvil, and then we place 3 slabs. So 1, 2, 3. And then place another thing here. That. Do the same thing on the other side. It's not that difficult. It's just some seatings. Some terrible seating, some terrible seats. and then what we're gonna do behind this, it's a 1 block gap. We place another vent. So we go 1, 2, 1, 2, and then stairs, and then go behind or in front, and then you can build. Maybe you place your mangrove trapdoors like so. What we're gonna do now is grab our monster spawner, and then on each side of the funnel, it's gonna be, we're gonna break the deck a little bit. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, like so. And then so what we're gonna do is go there we go. So there's that. There's that all finished. We've filmed for an hour now. Holy crap. Alright, so what we're gonna do is build. We got our vents here. So from this corner here, we're gonna go 1 block back. We go up 2. A stair here, and then a mangrove trapdoor. So come on. The heck. Do the same thing. Just gonna go ahead and do this. So. There we go. And then we have some seating behind it. So what we're gonna do is just go from the center here, just build 3 slabs, and an anvil each side. And then we have a skylight beside it. So what we're gonna do is go 2 blocks, a 2 block gap. So 1, 2, 3. So on the 3rd block here, we're gonna place 1 block here. We go build. So we build 1 either side, like so. And then we get our smooth quartz stairs, and we just build 4 each side. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. And then we join it together. So, and if you want to, you can break the inside here. And then we're gonna go each side. We're gonna go 1, 2. It's kind of like a rib, basically. And then what we're gonna do is just grab our freaking iron trapdoors. And each side we should go ahead and build. So each side we should go ahead and build that there, like so. Final. So we have a way to get down. Build. We break this block here. Build 1, 2, and 3. And then what we're gonna do is just go up 2 and up 2. Up 2. We basically build our like railings basically. And flick that up. Alright, and then we have some vents, and we also have some chairs. So we go to this end. We go to the end of this part here. We should go 2. Actually, I have my go 2. And then go and put an anvil right here, and then we go put an anvil here. We build 3. 1, 2, 3, and then we place another anvil here. So go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. And then in between these, we go to the we go 4 blocks actually. So we go 4 blocks from this gap here. We should go 1, 2. We go 1, 2, and we place a slab. 1, 2, yep, and then a stair here. And we place a trapdoor over that. We do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And we place a stair. And then we place a trapdoor here, like so. And then where the stair is here, we're gonna break this. And then we're gonna place another stair. Well, where that vent is, we're gonna place another stair. So 1, 2, and then 3. And then, like usual, we're just going to do this on each side. It'd be easier with freaking shelves. Just my opinion. You don't have to do it, but yeah. And I fudged that up there. There we go. Alright, and finally, the last detailing we're going to do for the ship is build, from the stair here, we're going to build 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to place a stair here, and then a mangrove trapdoor. Build a 2-block space. That's 3-block space. No, is it? Yeah, it's 3-block space. We do the same thing. So 1, 2, 3. We'll place my stair here, and then we're going to place a mangrove trapdoor. And with that, actually we have to do rigging. So we have to do rigging in the lifeboats. So that's not. We're not finished yet. As much as I want to be. For the rigging, we actually have to go. So from the center of this, here, we're actually going to do this. We're going to build this here, and then we're going to build 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then finally 10. And then we go 2. We go 2 blocks diagonally here, so 1, and then 2. And we go 1, so 1. Then we go 2 again, so 1, 2. Damn it. And then finally we go 1, so 1. So should connect over, and it should look something like this. You can adjust it if you like. I'm kind of happy with how I did it though. So yeah. So now for the lifeboats, I'm gonna act like I did something here. So. All right. So from this vent here, we go to the deck and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and we go up 2, 1, 2, and then 1, and we do a 10-block gap. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do the same thing. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 2. And 1, like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to place a slab here. And then we go 8 blocks, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then that's actually, yeah, it's supposed to be 8 blocks. Just don't know where any stairs are. There you go. Yeah, crap. Did I not add the stairs on the... Anyway. So it should be 8. And then what we're gonna do, place these blocks here on each side. And then what you do is build slabs on each side of this here. We build slabs on each part of this thing here, and then build build our walls of the lifeboat. Then we're gonna get our brown trim. We're just gonna go ahead and just put this all around the lifeboat. Just lather this on. Because how else are we gonna get the lifeboat looking decent? And then what we're gonna do is get our chains. We go 1, 2, and we place our grindstone. No, we build 3 and then we build a grindstone. Nope, we put a grindstone here. So it's 2 and then grindstone. So grindstone. 1, 2, and then grindstone. Then what we do is build in smooth sandstone. We go 1, 2, and 3, and then I think in birch slab. I think it's birch. Yeah, it's birch. And birch, we should go 1, and then 2 in the middle. So just get a little bit of detail. And with that, that's Nomadic finished. It's not bad. That's Traffic finished. Traffic finished. So both tenders of the White Star Line are finished. So yeah, I have to do the other side of the lifeboats. I'm just gonna use my actual screen for this one. So I just gotta do the other side of that, and then we'll be done. So, well, I'll be done. But hopefully you followed along nicely. I know this was confusing. It's also been I know this was confusing. I know it's also been a long time since I no, it hasn't been a long time since I did the Nomadic Part 2 tutorial. So yeah. Anyway, if you like this video, if you like this video, then you want more tenders or tugboats or anything, please let me know. I'm a big fan of these smaller ships I can do in like one day. So anyway, with enough stalling, bye for now.